Alright, and we are back. Welcome to another unboxing video. This time around, we are going to unbox the Iron Man Mark VII, another licensed product by ZD Toys. Alright, let's see how Mark VII pairs up with the other previous marks that we've unboxed. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so let's see. Let's remove the plastic wrapping first so it would eliminate the glare coming from the light. It's gonna be really careful here. I don't want to nick the box in the process. Alright, let's see. Okay, and there we go, ladies and gents. Look at that glossy metallic red. Never get tired of that color. I mean, red isn't particularly my favorite color, but when it comes to Iron Man, I don't know, I can make an exception. So like the artwork of the box, and like I like the way they pictured Iron Man, just a little bit off to the side there. And of course, the Disney logo. So again, not a bootleg, not a KO. Alright. Iron Man Mark VII in flight. The Avengers Studios logo. Side we got the Mark V in its firing mode. The back, we got some more photos of Iron Man in various poses. So, alright, let's go ahead and proceed with the peek. Okay, so as always, ZD Toys with their amazing packaging idea. Magnetic box, arc reactor right smack in the middle of the flaps, and when you open it up, you're gonna see the Mark VII photo there. Flat for it to pull it up. That cover, of course, we got the action figure right there, and the bottom layer is gonna be where the accessories are, and there you have it. We're gonna take a closer look at that in a bit. Alright, so a closer look at the accessories. I think there's a pattern somehow. For the non-LEDs, you always get 4 repulsor blasts, and for the LED ones, you only get 2. That's the pattern I've observed so far. So alright, the first set of extra hands, we got the open palm with the holes in it so you can peg the repulsor blast like so. Always amazing with the details they dive into as far as like the color transition of the repulsor blast is concerned, from light yellow going to dark orange there. Also like how they go ahead and like add a little bit of those extra details on the hands, like in between the fingertips. You're gonna see like some silver gunmetal tech details on there. So kudos to ZD Toys for doing that, always going the extra mile for those itty bitty details. Open palm with, or slightly open palm with the repulsors painted on there, also very detailed. And another set of open palm, like a little bit folded fingers this time with the repulsors again showing, and like the way they painted it looks like it's slid up. I like how ZD Toys does that all the time with the hands that only have the repulsors. We got a stand, Avengers, Mark VII, Marvel Studios logo right there. With that, we got a stand accessories, and again the non-spring. Why can't like ZD Toys please make all of your clamps spring loaded? Alright, now let's take a look at Mark VII himself, shall we? First we're gonna do that like in the box or under the light. I don't know, whatever works. Let's get along with it. Alright, so there's our Mark VII under the light and inside the box. Wow, look at this bulky bad boy right here. Alright, in a few seconds or so we're gonna go take a closer look at the paint job, the articulation, and all that up close detail stuff. But for now, let's marvel at his paint job. Wow, amazing. Alright, let's go and take a closer look. And there we have him, the highlight of this unboxing video. Let's take off that pesky cover right there. Okay, and let's take this big bad boy out of the box, shall we? Wow, just look at that guy. I mean, he's like bulky, like comparing to Mark V. The way he's built is like RoboCop-ish. Like there's like muscular. It's pretty muscular. And I don't know, I think Mark V didn't have the flaps. Quick side by side here. As far as build is concerned, I don't know if it's the paint scheme that makes Mark V look skinnier than Mark VII. But yeah, as far as the flaps at the back goes, Mark V does not have the flaps. Good thing to note. Alright, so let's take a look at the paint job, the artistry on this one. Like again, it doesn't matter what color you pair up with that cherry hot rod red. It just always pops out whatever color you combine it with. This time we got the gold, some patches of gunmetal here and there, a little bit of a larger portion of gunmetal on the legs, and like gold stripes on there. Like, wow, another awesome paint job. And like I've mentioned in my previous videos, I have yet to encounter, luckily, I have yet to encounter a ZD Toys product with a banged up paint job. I mean, not one so far. And I've collected like I've completed the Hall of Armor, so I might post that on my future videos once I get them inside the Hall of Armor housing, like in a gallery type display. So yeah, again, look at the heft and like the way how bulky Mark VII actually looks like. That reminds me of how War Machine bulky, how bulky War Machine is, kinda. And yeah, I'm waiting for 2 War Machines to be shipped out, and those are also going to be featured on my next unboxing video. Speaking of, alright, so let's go ahead and dive into the details. Next off will be the articulation. Okay, so moving on with the articulation part of this unboxing video, let's start off with the head. Okay, spins 360, not necessarily realistic, but it's good to know you can do that. Range of motion on the head. This guy has better range of motion compared to Mark V. He has like more neck possibilities, like looking down you can look pretty much that far, looking up you can like look up a bit. Side to side movement, yes, there is a little bit of side to side tilt. Shoulder flaps, yes. These are obviously pop outs, so yeah, pretty nice. Okay, and they should rotate 360. Same with the other one. Elbows are going to be double jointed. Yep, they are double jointed elbows. The fist is going to be on the ball type joint. Range of motion on the shoulders. Yep, you can go all the way that far. And here, let's see what's preventing this part. I think I may have put it upside down or not. Yep, it goes as far as that. As far as the arms are concerned. Torso, yep, it always pulls out like so for range of motion. Oh, you can turn more than just, it can turn 360. Okay. The thighs, let's go back to the torso. So a little bit of up crunch and tilt. Okay. Thighs, range of motion without the legs being pulled out of being pulled down is as far as this. Not that much, but if you pull it down, it should give us a little bit more range. So I'm not gonna force it. Last time I did this, I pulled out one leg, but don't worry, it pops back in. I just don't want to force it. Don't want to force the joints. So yeah, there. If it's not popped out, it's like that. If it's popped out, it's allowed to be like that. Same with the other leg. Yeah. Okay. The knees, double jointed too, like more than 90 degrees bend there. Same with the other one. Ball joint for the foot. So yeah, of course, let's not forget, like, oh my god, what am I doing? Like, my hands are, I like how this part, the shoulder, like pops out. I mean, it makes him look bulky and all. And of course the back, let's see if I'm right. Yeah, it does flap. The flaps. Okay, there you go. So yeah, another feature there that we can exploit when we put him in the gallery. Alright, so I think that would be it for our Mark VII unboxing. Another quality product, excuse me, by ZD Toys. Paint job, I'd give it 10. Articulation is a 10. Packaging, like accessories, yeah, those are like pretty basic. I just hate that non-spring loaded clamp. But overall, this is another 2 thumbs up for my collection. Alright. Stay safe, and again, see you guys on my next unboxing video. Peace.